In the Measurements editor, view the items without any measurement details. Expand the entries individually. Or expand them all, with the options of the local menu, or the toolbar. Browse through each measurement line, using the mouse wheel to scroll, or with the keyboard arrows. Or one page at a time, with the page down and page up keys. To go to the end of the calculation, press the End button. To go back to the beginning, press the Home key. Browse the items of the calculation, also based on specific characteristics. For example, moving only to items that contain a chart. Or only on those where you have inserted a bookmark. And move between objects of the same type too. For example, select the total amount row, to move directly to the next row, with the total amount specified. These same navigation features are also active in the price list editor.